Hello all, welcome to Public Cloud Design Tips and Tricks again. As a part of Azure Cognitive Service, today I will be covering speech service from Azure. What is the background? Azure Cognitive Service that provides language transformation is speech service in a way. Now, what is Azure Cognitive Service? We have already discussed this in our previous session, but just to recap, cognitive service is a set of APIs that can be used in AI applications. So what it does, it provides pre-trained model to use within your application, and it is based on deep learning algorithms by the Microsoft team. What is the benefits? Is it always reduces the development effort. Uh, Integration is easy using REST interfaces, and it brings AI capability to the app. And today in the categories we will be discussing the speech service. So, what is Azure Cognitive Service for Speech? It is designed to perform language transformation. It has capabilities such as speech to text conversion, text to speech conversion, speech translation, and speaker recognition. So, these are the fundamental capabilities of speech service. Now, before you go to speech service capability and how it works, uh, there are certain criteria of selection to choose speech service. So here I have taken this flow diagram from Microsoft, and I have also given the link from where I have taken this from Microsoft. So you come up with your use case, and the left side is how to select audio to text conversion, and right side is text to audio conversion. Okay, so in the left side, if we go, you can have a real-time conversion or you can have a batch conversion. So what is batch conversion? You are getting series of audios and that you convert into series of text files. Okay, to store in it in a storage area. So that means transcribe several files into data storage. So that is the batch way of doing. Real-time is again it's divided into transcribe audio logs in real time and then access my pronunciation. So that is pronunciation assessment. Okay. So that is how you can see. Uh, Coming to text to audio, that convert it deals with convert input text into human like speech basically, and then that is again of two types, like with a neural out of box voice from a catalog, with a natural out of the box voice that is that that is from pre-built neural voices from a defined catalog and with a unique set of voice. Okay, so that is the custom neural voice by creating your own custom model. So that is how it looks like in text to audio conversion. Now coming to speech service, it deals with speech to text and text to speech conversion capability. And using this service, a developer can create custom voice. It can add word into its vocabulary. It can also create custom models. Okay, so these are the three things or fundamental things that a developer can do using speech service, and this can be done using speech command line interface, speech SDK, speech studio, and REST APIs. Okay, now there are various scenarios within speech. Those are caption. Caption is you can create your own speech basically with an input audio. You can apply filters. You can identify spoken languages for multi language scenarios. Okay, mostly this is used in web broadcast and web tutorials, etc. scenario. Okay. uh, Second one is audio content creation. So this deals with voice assistants, chatbot interactions, digital text into audios for ebooks, etc. So that is the audio content creation. So this is nothing but it comes with neural voice interactions. Okay, call center is gathering different input from customers, and then based on their sentiments or based on the input analytics, the response gets generated with speech service. So that is call center. And language learning is assessment, pronunciation assessment feedbacks, and based on learning conversation, real-time transcription with neural voices. So these are the examples. Voice assistance, it's a feature provide fast, reliable interaction between a device and an assistant implementation. So this is voice assistant. So for example, Microsoft uses speech for many scenarios such as captioning in Teams, dictation in Office 365, and read aloud in Microsoft Edge browser. So these are the few capabilities within Azure speech within their own context. So this is just an example. Now there are different capabilities. We have already discussed few, but let's reiterate again. Is speech to text. So from audio files, microphones, and other audio sources, you get the content basically, and then you can generate text out of it. Custom models also can be created to add custom pronunciation, filters, language, etc. Uh, with that particular audio sources. Now, real time speech to text, it's deals with real time transcription. I already mentioned in the workflow also. Uh, these are like captions and subtitles, contact center agent assistance, voice agents, dictation. So these are all real time speech to text conversion. Now, batch transcription is used to transcribe a large amount of audio in storage. Contact center post call analysis, subtitles for pre recorded audio. These are all the capability of batch transcription. Text to speech, pre-built neural voice, out of box voices for business need. We have already discussed, and it has a predefined set of voices in the voice catalogs by Azure. Speech translation, it enables real-time multilingual translation, language identification, comparing the audio language against your set of languages or list of languages. Speaker recognition, it's an algorithm to identify speaker using a unique voice. Okay, so that is speaker recognition. Pronunciation assessment is again evaluate speech pronunciation and gives the speaker feedback on the accuracy and fluency of a spoken audio. It's also applicable for language learners. Intent recognition is to understand user intents from transcribed speech and act on voice commands. So this is these are all the speech capabilities within speech services. Yeah, so it's more a theoretical session. So if you want to learn more about speech services, I've given two links. You can go through it, try to understand it, and then you can start practicing in the Azure portal as well. Okay, that's it for this session. Thank you and have a good day.